So you're wondering how to recover deleted messages on Facebook. Follow this step-by-step tutorial to know how. First, open the Facebook app. Then on the top right corner, you can see a menu icon. Press on it. After that, scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. After that, scroll down until you can see the block of your information. After that, click on Download Your Information. Click on Request to Download, and then click on the second option because you want to selectively only download your messages. After you've done that, you can scroll a bit and then you can see that there is a messages option. You click on it, press on next, and then you select a delivery method. Where you see the notify, you click on it, and then you enter your email. After you've entered your email, then you can see that there's two formats in which you can download it, which is HTML and JSON. But HTML takes less size, so HTML is the recommended format in which you can download your messages. Medium quality is fine. Date range is the most important. Now in the date range, you can select the date between which you want your messages to be downloaded. Suppose last week, last month, last 3 months, last year, last 3 years, etc. You can also custom it, edit, and you can select the start date and the end date, which makes it easier. You save it and then you submit request. Then you wait for a while and then Facebook will let you know when the download is ready. You can see the notification has appeared. Now I go to my notification bar and see that the notification that my meta information is ready to download has popped up. Now I click on it and then I can see that the download option has appeared. I simply click on download. I enter my password. And then as you can see, my file is being downloaded. And that's how you recover deleted messages on Facebook. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.